Okay, so good afternoon once again, everyone. So for today, we're going to have the first discussion of the Management Information System or Advanced Management Information System. So Management Information System is a computer-based system that provide managers with the information they need to make decisions in organizations. So it entails using hardware, software, and people to collect, process, store, and distribute data for decision-making process. So the primary goal of MIS is to provide managers with accurate and timely information to assist them in making better decisions. So the systems gathers data from various sources within the organizations, transforms it into meaningful information, and present it in an easy to understand and use format. So IT, finance, accounting, sales, marketing, inventory, human resources are all common functions covered by MIS, no? And these modules are linked together to facilitate information access, all sharing across departments. So the application of MIS can assist an organization in improving its overall efficiency and effectiveness. It can assist managers in identifying problems and opportunities, tracking performance, monitoring trends, and making data-driven decisions. So it also enables improved communications and collaborations among employees, resulting in improved teamwork and increased productivity. So the first module that we're going to discuss is about information systems in global business today. Okay, so to give us more details about the topic, let us all welcome our first presenter. Go ahead.
Good day, everyone. My name is Renceline. Ipi-play ko na lang po yung PowerPoint presentation ko po. Thank you.
Okay, go ahead.
Good day, everyone. My name is Jocelyn Hidalgo, and I will be presenting the Chapter 1 titled Global Business Information Systems today. In this topic, we will be discussing 7 key topics, which are transforming business through information system, new in management information system or MIS, the emerging digital firms, strategic business objectives of information system, brief introduction to information system, dimensions of information system, in the academic disciplines used to study information systems. Without further ado, let's proceed to the topic 1. We can see the result of this large-scale spending around us every day by observing how people conduct business. People conduct business by way of changes in technology and new innovative business models. Now, for changes in technology, it includes the use of smartphone devices and tablet computers. And for the use of innovative business models, it is the use of social networking sites such as Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and a lot more. Now, this way of people conduct business has transformed social life and business practices. Take note, some 2.8 billion people worldwide have smartphones, which is 50% of the world's population, and an estimated 1.26 billion users use their smartphones for internet access. More than 1 billion people use tablet computers, about 15% of the global population, in developing and emerging countries. Phones and tablets are primary means of access to the internet. This is according to the Pew Research 2016 and eMarketer 2015. An estimated 2.34 billion people now use social networks, with Facebook accounting for 1.7 billion people alone. Messaging services like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Twitter collectively have over 2 billion monthly users. These all have become essential tools of business because that's where your customers, suppliers, and colleagues can be found. And aside from the use of social networks, we also have under new innovative business models such as companies also make use.com internet sites. Now, by June 2015, there are more than 150 million businesses worldwide had .com internet sites registered. In 2016, 1.62 billion internet users will purchase online, generating $1.9 billion in sales. Now, half of these sales come from mobile devices. While still only 8% of the total retail global sales, online commerce is growing at 6% annually, 3 times the growth of traditional offline retail. In 2015, FedEx moved about 11.5 billion packages daily into 220 countries and territories around the world, mostly overnight, and the United Parcel Services, or UPS, moved more than 18 million packages daily. Aside from that, information systems changes business in a way that businesses are now able to sense and respond to rapidly changing customer demand, reduce inventory to the lowest possible, and achieve higher levels of operational efficiency. Supply chains have become more fast-paced, meaning that they have more fast-paced with companies of all sizes depending on just-in-time inventory or JIT inventory to reduce their overhead costs and get to market faster. And lastly, global e-commerce or electronic commerce and internet advertising continue to expand as well. Now, Google's online and revenues surpassed 80 billion euros in 2016, and internet advertising continues to grow at more than 20% a year, reaching more than 194 billion euros in revenues in 2016, according to eMarketer 2016. That's about one-third of all advertising in the world. To summarize, these changes in information technology and systems, consumer behavior, and commerce have spurred an annual growth of digital information to over 5 exabytes every 3 weeks, roughly equivalent to all the libraries in existence. A recent study concluded that the value of information flowing between countries has grown 45 times since 2005, and the value of this information now exceeds the value of goods in finance exchange. So what's new in Management Information System, or IS? Well, plenty. In fact, there's a whole new world of doing business using new technologies of managing and organizing. So what makes the MIS field the most exciting area of a study in School of Business is the continuous change in technology management and the business practices. Now, there are 5 changes that are of paramount importance. First, we have the IT innovations. Now, a continuing stream of information technology innovations is actually transforming the traditional business world. Examples include the emergence of cloud computing, the growth of mobile digital business platforms based on smartphones and tablet computers. We have big data, business analytics, and the use of social networks by managers to achieve business objectives. Now, most of these changes have occurred in the past few years. Now, these innovations are enabling entrepreneurs and innovative traditional firms to create new products and services, develop new business models, and transform the day-to-day conduct of business. And in the process, some old business, even industries, are being destroyed while new businesses are springing up. Second important change in respect to information technology is we have new business models. For instance, the emergence of online video services like Netflix for streaming, Apple for iTunes, and Amazon and many others for downloading video has forever changed our premium video is distributed and even created. Now, Netflix in 2016 actually attracted more than 75 million subscribers worldwide to what it's called the Internet TV revolution. Netflix have moved into premium TV show production with Turkey, such as House of Cards and also Orange is the New Black. The challenging cable and broadcast producers of TV shows and also potentially disrupting cable network dominance of TV show production. Apple's iTunes, on the other hand, now accounts for 67% movie and TV show downloads and has struck deals with major Hollywood studios for recent movies and TV shows. A growing trickle of viewers are unplugging from cable and using only the internet for entertainment. Third paramount importance or change under MIS is the e-commerce expanding or what we call electronic commerce, which is not new to us. E-commerce is the buying and selling of products online electronically. E-commerce generated about $600 billion in revenues in 2016 and is estimated to grow to nearly $900 billion by 2020. E-commerce is actually changing how firms design, produce, and deliver their products and services. E-commerce has reinvented itself again, meaning disrupting the traditional marketing and advertising industry and putting major media and content firms in jeopardy. In fact, Facebook and other social networking sites such as YouTube, Twitter, and Tumblr, along with Netflix and many other media firms, exemplify the new face of e-commerce in 21st century. Fourth importance is the management changes. What do we mean by management changes? We need to bear in mind that the management of business firms has also changed with new mobile smartphones, high-speed wireless or Wi-Fi networks, and tablets. Remote sales people on the road are only seconds away from their managers' questions and oversights. Business is actually going mobile as well, along with other customers, managers on the move are in direct continuous contact with their employees. Now, the growth of enterprise-wide information systems with extraordinary rich data means that managers no longer operate in a fog of confusion, but instead have online, merely instant access to the really important information they need for accurate and timely decisions. The fifth importance is the changes in firms and organizations. Please note that compared to industrial organizations of the previous century, new fast-growing 21st century business firms put less emphasis on hierarchy and structure and more emphasis on employees. We can see some of these trends at work in the interactive session on management. In fact, millions of managers rely heavily on mobile digital platforms to coordinate suppliers and shipments to satisfy customers and manage their employees. A business day without these mobile devices or internet access would be unthinkable. Next topic is the emerging digital firms. All of the changes that we have just described earlier, coupled with equally significant organizational redesign, have created the conditions for a fully digital firm. A digital firm can be defined along with several dimensions. If we say digital firm, it is one in which nearly all the organization's significant business relationships with customers, suppliers, and employees are digitally enabled and mediated. Now, core business processes are accomplished through digital networks, spanning the entire organization or linking multiple organizations. So if it is a business processes, these refer to the set of logically related tasks and behaviors that organizations develop over time to produce a specific business result in the unique manner in which these activities are organized and coordinated. Examples of business processes are developing a new product, also have generating and fulfilling an order and creating a marketing plan, and hiring an employee, and the ways organizations accomplish their business processes can be a source of competitive strength as well. Now, the key corporate assets are managed through digital means. Examples, intellectual property, core competencies, and financial and human assets. Now, in a digital firm, any piece of information required to support key business decisions is available at any time and anywhere in the firm. So what are the competitive advantages of being a digital firm compared to the traditional firms? First, traditional firms sense and respond to their environment far more rapidly than the traditional firms in a way that being digital gives them more flexibility to survive in turbulent times. Second, digital firms offer extraordinary opportunities for more flexible global organization and management. Meaning, in digital firm, both time shifting and space shifting are the norm. Time shifting refers to business being conducted continuously 24/7 rather than in a narrow workday time bands of 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Space shifting means that the work takes place in a global workshop as well as within national boundaries. Now, work is accomplished physically wherever in the world is best accomplished. Next topic is the strategic business objectives of information system. In this